Hey you guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today we're doing an unboxing on the SeeYing Video Baby Monitor with a 5-inch LCD screen. We're going to go ahead and unbox it just to give you a sneak peek of what it looks like. And let's start by just cutting the box open here. Alright. So lots of accessories. We just dropped the batteries, so that sucks. No worries. All right. Okay, so we have our instructions. Very important there. Foam box. Gotta love that. Wow, so nice big screen. So the last baby monitor we had was only 3 inches, and so nice to have a larger screen. Kind of see your baby a little bit better. So this is the camera. It does have the mounting screw at the bottom here, so if you have a tripod or something to screw it onto, that's great. We get our AC adapter. This is our wall mount right here, so you can mount it up. And then we have a second AC adapter for monitor. Let's take a look at the monitor here. So this is awesome. So this is a lot bigger than your average screen. Again, ours just broke, so the timing was perfect to get this one here. And first thing we want to do is just do an unboxing, show you kind of what comes in the box, give you just a good look at it. And we're gonna go ahead and set it up, and then we can give you a more in-depth review on it. But a couple of things I wanted to highlight just in the unboxing here is there's some unique features to it that I liked, which is you got a 1,000-foot range, so this thing is gonna go really far. It also has night vision built in, which allows you to see your baby better even in the dark. And it has built-in lullaby, so you can have it play music, which will help to kind of soothe your baby or help them go to sleep. So those are some of the cool things that we liked about this one and why we decided to give it a try. So again, we will set it up and try it out for a few days, and then we'll give you our full review after that. So hope you guys did find this unboxing helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Also, we just launched a brand new YouTube channel, a second channel called Tech Made Easy. On the next screen, you will see a green button to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button as well, and follow us for more simple, easy to follow videos to help you learn your tech. Thanks again for watching. We'll have a link in the description as well for more details on this unit, how you can purchase one as well. Take care and have a good one.